Ambazonian, who overcome down his nation. Ambazonian, who overcome down his nation. Major General Commando, the king of Momo, the father of CTA, the terminators of Ambazonian. Tano Palestine for the freedom is here. Steve Masha, the king of the BLM, the father of Red Dragon of the BLM. Tano Palestine for the freedom is here. General Grandpa of Bali, General Sobun Kata of Baku, General Alke, General Yeke, General Diamond, Tano Palestine, General Fang of the ADF, aka Big Number, General Chief Mula of Jen, rest in peace, General Legend of Mugi, Major General Commando, the king of Momo, is your boy, Blink, Captain Blink, it's me, Tano Palestine, for the freedom is here! I fight for the better tomorrow, yes we are, no retreat, no surrender. We don't be one fighting for the better tomorrow. Yes, we are. No retreat, no surrender. We don't be one Ambazonian. Who overcome down his nation. Ambazonian. Who overcome down his nation.
Una good evening for all una my fellow Ambazonians. For all our people them for ground zero, we want come for can salute una. Una good evening for all una for that side for ground zero. For all our people them for that side for Nigeria, we call una cafe. We salute all una. For all our people there, they be spread across West Africa. For that side for Ghana, for Benin Republic, for all man where you be because of this war, the war done. Move Ambazonia them, make the find place so they feel be safe. I want come for can salute una for this evening time. We will know say right now na about I think na about 6:40 p.m. for Ambazonia time. I don't come for can give una the news we don't come out for that side for La République du Cameroon for their capital of Yaoundé. Wahala, it don't come out for that side for La République du Cameroon for Yaoundé. I want come for can tell una and for can give una the news where it is for outside. Wahala, it don't enter Yaoundé. The war we Paul Biya declared for Ambazonia. Today, that war, it don't enter Yaoundé. We go to start the story small time. Make una come fine. Paul Biya go cry. We'll move start small time. Make I take the time, make I salute all our friends over the day for yeah. Make we salute all the friends over the day for you. Why will not see the people over the day for you? Alright, I don't see alright. Yes, I don't it don't show up right now. Alright, that Dotty, we salute you. Ma Messi, we salute you, Madam Kwa. We salute you. Emma, Miss Amabo, we salute you, Emma. Alright, DM Wella, we caught you cafe too, and we salute all now. And I don't take the time for John Way for here. Yes, the war don't enter Yaoundé. Boom, 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 boom. Ambazonia, I like when I shoot it. When I can't find. Yes, Pobia the cry. Pobia, thy house. Pobia don't put thy house for inside La République, their presidency. Pobia don't put thy house for that side. So, when I can't find. Who de for here? That Dutchy de for here? DM Willa de for here? Comrade Rudolph Jem, who salute you. Ndakwa, who salute you. Alright, Exodus DX, who salute you. Tengang, alright. Modesta, who salute you. Talikan, who salute you. Maxwell, alright. Kinyu, who salute you too. Alright, oh, who today for here? Gringory. I hear that name say Gringory. Gringory. Gringory Chokoya. I be smarty Gringory. Gringory Chokoya. Musima, welcome. Say Gringory Chokoya. Welcome, Gringory Chokoya. All right, Sunjo, welcome. Welcome. Patrick, we salute you. Nadine, we salute you. Ngwa, all right. Who today for your comrade Rosita Young, we salute you. Now this. Peter Tambeng, we salute you, Mr. Christopher. All right, comrade Eric Wiengo, we salute you too. Ekone, all right. Gilbert, we salute you. All right. The Jones, we salute you too. All right. Sheriff, we salute you. All right. Comrade Frankly Wara, we salute you too. All right. Vizekov, this is Zylas, we salute you. Maimo, we salute you too. Leslie Fru, we salute you. Igna, we salute you. Mr. Charles Shufai, we salute you. Tipa, we salute you. Triazo, all right. Who today for you? Ndaye, we salute you, Mr. Roger. Oh man, when I welcome, yes, the war don't enter La Republique. All right. Solange, we salute you too. All right. Comrade Mfogwe, Mr. James, we salute you. Tenjo, we salute you. Violet. Joyce. Gamcom. All right. Sona, welcome. All right. Ginny, welcome too. All right. Linda, welcome. Manulo, Mr. People, welcome. Shu Eno, welcome. Who to the fair one? Just salute. Oh man, very quick. Njobet, welcome. Yes. Who to Etienne, welcome. Mr. Chi. Wisdom, welcome. Fred Tita. Watson, Obedient. Mr. Jean, welcome. Penne. All right. Ben Donson, we salute you. Nemo. Nemo Brownie. With this Kukochu Cafe Nemo Brownie. Ndang, Mr. Armstrong, with the salute una. Oh, una. Yes. Ekome. Socio. Neba. All right. With the salute you. Gam. With the salute all una. Who to the fair? Rasta. With the salute you. Monen. All right. Amele. With the salute you. I think in order. Lucia Achu and then Giscard. Would salute you, Mr. Giscard. All right, make a live for day. My fellow Ambazonians. One thing I like the Ambazonian people. Now say you know if you defeat them. One thing I really respect the Ambazonian people. Now say when the Ambazonian people they talk something, they must do them. One thing I love about the Ambazonian people them, you know if you defeat them for anything. And then when they talk something, they always keep that promise. Una sabi say the leader for a war of independence, it be promised the Ambazonian people. Talk say the war go for Cameroon. And that war don't enter Cameroon multiple times. Multiple times. Where the forces, they don't enter Cameroon. They carry out strategic strike for La République du Cameroon. And the leader be promised the Ambazonian people say, under the Dublin Declaration, the Ambazonian Defense Forces, it go support any group within La République du Cameroon. It go support any group within La République du Cameroon where they go create instability and for move forward for power. The leader of a war of independence be promised with that one. Today, after La République du Cameroon, it don't go do what it do for the Ambazonian people then for the few days, especially for Moyoka, for the arrest and torture and killings where they carry them out for Moyoka. Today, as we talk say, they say any Ambazonian, whether you did that for inside La République du Cameroon, whether you did that for Marua, you did that for Garoua, or you did for Betwa, or you did for Ngaoundéré, or you did for Ebolowa, or you did for Douala, or you dey inside a 2D. We talk say you be a soldier of the revolution, and therefore you get the responsibility and the right for fight La République du Cameroon inside La République du Cameroon. That call don't be answered by the volunteers, the soldiers of the revolution. That call don't be answered by groups within La République du Cameroon would they be interested for bring down the colonial government of Paul Biya. Today, a big bomb, it don't take place inside La République du Cameroon, capital of Yaoundé. A very big bomb. It don't shake in La République du Cameroon. It shake ground. The bomb holla so boom. All place for La République Chaka. The whole Yaoundé shake. Yaoundé don't shake this evening. Yaoundé don't shake. It shake all corner for Yaoundé. It don't be militarized as we talk this evening. Now so all their army and police and gendarme, they everywhere for Yaoundé this evening. The bomb will shaking place for Yaoundé this evening. It don't cause panic. It don't cause chaos for Yaoundé. They don't feel sleep. The bomb will take place for inside a bar, inside restaurant, where people that she don't drink mimbo. It scatter the whole place. For tell Paul Biya, say he either move all his forces, for withdraw all his forces from Ambazonia and sign the agreement for surrender, or La République du Cameroon, it go chakara into pieces. This one today, as many other bombs they don't go off for Yaoundé. In the last 2 weeks, now number 3 bomb this, we don't explode for Yaoundé. This one be been at the biggest one. It be been at the biggest one. It don't shake Yaoundé. It don't make people don't lose sense. The insecurity for Yaoundé, as they carry the war, Paul Biya say one fight the Ambazonian people them, make it be ready for fight the war inside La République du Cameroon too. As Paul Biya don't talk say, he won't fight the Ambazonian people them. Make Paul Biya be ready for fight the war inside Yaoundé, for fight the war inside Douala, for fight the war inside Ebolowa, for fight the war inside Betwa, for fight the war inside Bafoussam. Now a different generation this. So if Paul Biya want fight, if he want continue for cause destruction and displacement for the Ambazonian people, make it be ready for fight that war inside Yaoundé. Make it be ready for fight that war inside Douala. Because Douala too go become into pieces. Yaoundé go become into pieces as well. If the Ambazonian people no get peace and freedom, Cameroon no go exist as a nation. If the Ambazonian people, if Paul Biya no move all his army and sign surrender agreement for the Ambazonia independence and freedom, Yaoundé, Douala, and everywhere for La République du Cameroon, it no go get 1 day of peace. Cameroon to go chakara. So Paul Biya get a choice. Paul Biya get a choice. He want keep Cameroon together, or he want also make Cameroon chakara completely. Now the choice that Paul Biya get for make him. This one, now number 3 bomb just in 2 weeks. They get for taste the pain where the Ambazonian people they go through. They get for taste the pain and the suffering where the Ambazonian people they go through. They go taste them. So every Ambazonian where you dey inside la Republic du Cameroon, we na continue for fry popcorn and granite. For every place inside la Republic du Cameroon, we na continue for fry the same popcorn and granite where they fry them inside Ambazonia. All their market them, all the banks, all the public institutions them for la Republic du Cameroon, where now they use them for fund the war for Ambazonia. We na continue for fry the popcorn and granite inside la Republic du Cameroon. As they woke up for morning time, na popcorn and granite they smell them. As they go for bed, they don't feel sleep because of popcorn and granite. As people they walk up for street, all their institutions, there will be no safe place until Paul Biya he end a war for Ambazonia. The people of La Republique and the citizens of La Republique then to no go get peace and their economy it go become a dust. This one a war. Now a war of survival for the Ambazonian people them. So we go continue the Ambazonia Defense Forces. It go continue for support the internal resistance within La Republique du Cameroon for bring down Paul Biya a government and for cause instability for Cameroon. Until they start for move all their defense forces them, put them for Douala and Yaoundé for protect those places. They must leave Ambazonia. The Ambazonia Defense Forces, it go fund, it go give both material support and intelligence support for any indigenous group within La Republique du Cameroon, where they be ready for take down the Biya's government and cause instability for Cameroon until Paul Biya leave power. The Ambazonia Defense Forces, it go continue for support those groups for carry out this type of actions until Biya sign a surrender agreement for withdraw from Ambazonia. Now war this. And the Ambazonia Defense Forces go fight this war for multiple fronts. The Ambazonia Defense Forces go fight this war for multiple angles. Including for fight La Republique du Cameroon inside La Republique du Cameroon. Until Cameroon sign a surrender agreement and withdraw from Ambazonia. So this explosion for today and the one that don't happen in the past, not just the beginning. As we continue as the Ambazonia Defense Forces, it continue for engage credible groups within Cameroon, where they be ready for bring down the Biya's government and for get them to withdraw from Ambazonia. We want to thank the indigenous people of La Republique du Cameroon, where they don't stand up for bring down Paul Biya a government, for create instability for Cameroon until the Biya government signed that surrender agreement. We want to thank them plenty. We thank all the people that don't stand up for the right of the self-determination of the Ambazonian people there. We thank all the people them where they don't stand up for support the freedom of the Ambazonian people them, for support the dignity of the Ambazonian people them, for support the independence of Southern Cameroons. We thank all those movements and those brave citizens of La Republique du Cameroon. We thank them plenty for their work. We thank them plenty for their actions. And we thank them plenty for taking the war into Paul Biya. We thank them plenty. We want also thank the intelligence unit of the Ambazonia Defense Forces for identifying, supporting these groups and giving these groups the materials the way they need them for carry out these actions within La Republique du Cameroon. We thank all the people them where they fight Paul Biya in one way or another. Especially the one way they carry out this kind of offensive actions against the colonial state of Cameroon. The Ambazonian people go make friends with all groups where they stand up for fight the occupation of Ambazonia and for defeat Paul Biya, for cause Paul Biya make a surrender. The Ambazonian people go continue for make friends with all those groups where they don't stand up for fight for human dignity, for the Ambazonian people them, and for chase Paul Biya to the gates of hell. Utankuna plenty. Yaoundé must taste the pain of war. Douala must taste the pain of war until Ambazonia be free. If they believe say the life of the Ambazonian people no matter, then the life of the citizens of La République du Cameroun to no will matter. If freedom no matter for the people of Ambazonia, then freedom no go matter to the people of La République du Cameroun. If stability no matter for if stability, the things say stability no matter for Ambazonia, stability no go matter for La République du Cameroun. Then they go get na instability too. Now what is? I will go fight them for many fronts until Ambazonia be free. So courage to all those people where they don't stand up for fight Paul Biya inside your own capital. Courage for una. Una do more. Una do more. The explosion, the big bomb today for Moliko for Yaoundé. That's just a taste. That's just a taste. Make we take this call way come up for ground zero. Good evening, comrade.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yes, comrade.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, Mr. Ashu Lucas.
Yes, sir.
How are you, my brother?
My man, we did live right now. As you did talk, all man, they hear you, and you don't hear.
Yes, I call from ground. Yes, I report directly zone of La Republic capital.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Tell me what did the shake for that side.
Yes. Panic there for here. Panic there for here. That thing happened for Mokolo when Mr. Sabi did it. Them block all sides. Police, gendarme, I mean, I said let me get a red army, the red police. They for there today for Mokolo, yeah.
That's right. So that means say for that side place is shake.
I see the whole Mokolo Brigiteri, there is very carcass people now only for cash out of it. Mango. I swear. I come out for this, so I tell you, I park my motor, use my bike, come out.
Paul Biya don't the cash young people, then go to lock them too. This doctor.
So, I witnessed some live, people they panic. I don't even know say La Republic people they panic. So, oh yeah, on the way. It is just the AGF. When I tell big number, me just can't worry people them. Then if you hear very badly, police them they run. People really run where they never see nothing happen. Yeah, they say run all place close one time.
Oh, Ambazonia. My brother, we thank you plenty. Una stay safe. Una salute all man for that side. Una just stay safe.
Okay, my brother. I say my just share that for you.
All right.
Okay, no problem. I say my just share that more information.
We thank you plenty. May God bless all una for that side. All right. The lines will be open. Una the hear directly people that they call directly from the colonial capital of La République du Cameroun. How people them for that side they shake up and down. They don't cash their own citizens them too. The big people them. My people, when I continue for shake them with popcorn and frying granite. At the beginning, they go pull out. They go pull out. The lines will be open. Any person you want call, make a call. If you had oversweet this evening, call. We tell you sweet, how you had your oversweet. Say big bomb to down the shake for that side for La Republic of Cameroon. If you had oversweet because of this news, call we. Share your sweetheart. We'll get time for take calls. Yes. Now Paul Biya daddy cry. Paul Biya the cry inside their presidency. Now in there they cry. Paul Biya the cry. He the cry. Wait till me I go declare war for Amazon. Now wait till me I go declare war for Amazon. Oh, now shame they make me. Oh, now nothing end the war. Now wait till me I go do. Paul Biya. Now what me I go do? Oh, now so shame not to make me. Oh, and not end that war for Amazonia. Oh, now shame to make me. Oh, I be so shameful. Oh, now me I not feel now. Now public disgrace to make me I not feel end that war. Oh, now how me go money end that war? Make this Amazonia people never can chakara me country. Oh, this more young day, this more young day. Me I dey try for Bila way Amazonia. Now what you wanna do me Amazonia? Amazonia. Surrender, Pobia. Surrender. If you want to make the war end for Yaoundé, surrender. Pull out from Amazonia. Now shame to make you. Yes, shame. The lines will be open. Any person who want call me, call. Yes, big bomb. You don't knock Yaoundé today. Boom, 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 boom. Big bomb don't knock Yaoundé today. Pop the cry. Pop the shino inside presidency the cry. Hey. When I submit their country talk, no. Oh, war don't come. Oh, this Amazonia them watching they do me. Amazonia them. Now we the blame now. Pop the blame now they beat them. Pop the blame now they beat them. He say why would I not stop them from Amazonia? Pop not stop Amazonia people them. We be invisible. Amazonia people they be very invisible. Pop say be. We not supposed to stop all Amazonia them. Why would I leave them when they come for Yaoundé? Well, not be Pobia, not be only Amazonia them. Now citizens of La Republique du Cameroon, where they to the vex. They could take this call from Australia. May could take this.
Hello?
The
network's not okay. Hello, can you get me, Seglu?
Yeah, we can get you. We can hear you clear.
Oh, thank you. So, can I participate on the show?
You can participate. You have the floor is all yours. The mic is all yours.
Okay, thank you very much. Good day, lovely people of Amazonia. It's your boy D to the M Whaler. Fathers, I'm the producer out here.
D to the M Whaler.
I don't. Yes, sir. D to the M Whaler. Yes. So, looking at things critically, I don't observe how the incident where it take place on Moyoka could play out, how it thing go happen. Sometimes, man, they really try to doubt if God did, but for real, some kind of thing that they happen, we need to believe true, say this is our God ordained revolution. Why do I say this? Because you see, you notice this group of black legs. Damn, you say I like to call them say white legs because I believe say black people are the best people in the world. So that term say black leg, it ever worry my mind. I like to call this about Balade out. Damn, say you see how all them come over line to condemn the way that one of our boy, the man of my. I know why I even go for the case. Let me see that boy will kill that girl. If that boy be an AVM soldier, I'm say social media will turn upside down. But I know why I even go for that factor. So I just one look at the black leg them. So luckily, I want you we couple and see I post the other video where La Republique, them say they do times 10 way that boy do for his own video. For the damn saying that just one day, God just leave and meet that black leg there. Hey, Steg, look, am I with you?
You're with us, yes.
Wow, man, sorry, sometimes I talk too much and I feel like I'm alone. Okay.
You're not alone.
So, looking at these black legs, you see the way this video where CIC bring her out where they murder this boy for, I think, Acha. Yes, Acha and Acha. So, this black leg there, he just exposed them just a day later. None of them not even be able to just even make a comment. I'm saying you don't expose them, only you don't expose them, say before people the doubt say no na federalists, na independentists. No, this is a clear proof that these people are working on scripts. There's no free being amongst them. They don't have anything to say of their own opinion. They are actually actors that are working on scripts that they can't read a word of it. Because if they were normal people, they'll come and say, hey, but see, yesterday I was trying to condemn Amba. Look at what the military is doing.
Done today, yeah.
But they just went like, you see, these evil people, let us see them clearly and stop confusing who is who. Let's see them clearly. And given the way that people have reacted to the issue, I just want anybody to think within yourself that if that soldier was an ADF soldier, what would be going on online right now? What would be the reaction from the La Republique media? What would be the reaction from our fellow compatriots? We know people that have given their lives, General Ibo, that has been condemned and made to be seen as a devil. Imagine if this one now that it has performed a devilish act was actually ADF. Come on, people, let's try to pin together and try to see that there's something like ADF is for us like 100. No other. When you just hear somebody from ADF speak, you know that his line is independence. That you don't need nobody to tell you about it.
Thank you very much.
Look,
Thank you very
I'm so
much.
grateful. I'm really grateful for having so much time on this reputable platform.
Thanks,
I
man.
remember when you started and I was watching you alone, but I believed in you so much, bro.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much for the kind words. That one, our brother for that side, now our brother that DM Wella. We thank you plenty. Make we take this other call where this a lot of calls around the coming. Make we call this comrade. The lines will be open. If you heard of a sweet, say bomb down the jam Yaoundé. Call. Yes, my brother.
How body no?
My man, my heart over sweet. My heart over sweet. My drink more water first. But bomb down the jam pop here for Yaoundé. Bomb down the jam pop here for Yaoundé. My drink more water.
I say me, I like him too much, you know. I like him and I be happy too, you know. Hello?
Yeah, bro, we hear you.
Yes, I want to ask something. You see, Agov see, you don't try to talk with Godi Dinka, people them, how they come together.
Maybe we talk about for now, I beg. We talking about the bomb. We don't happen for Yaoundé today. If you call now for talk about the other one, yeah. So tell me about the bomb. You heard over sweet about the bomb. They jam.
Make them put more, no make the people they put more. If the people send someone right on top the Palais Congrès or presidency, they send them for that straight away.
Yeah.
Make the thing end. Now what I want, you know. If the people they for the Cameroonese, they get the power for put them right inside, they put them. We go over there happy.
That's right.
Kudos also, you know, and strong grease and more grease for ADF guys them back home for the good job. I will be happy for which way they do.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, comrade.
No problem.
All right.
Yes.
All right. The lines will be open. If you heard of a sweet today, for say, bomb down the jam pop inside Yaoundé. Call. Express your joy. So the pop the big jam.
Baby bling. Tornado.
Amba.
Ambazonian, Ambazonian, Ambazonian. We are fighting for the better tomorrow. Yes, we are. No retreat, no surrender. We don't be one fighting for the better tomorrow. Yes, we are. No retreat, no surrender. We don't be one. Ambazonian. Yes. No more countdown is a nation. Ambazonian. No more countdown is a nation.
Ambazonian the nation.
Time for everything. Time to laugh. Time to cry. Time to walk. Time to rest. Time to sing. Time to dance. It's time to cook. Time to eat. It's time to walk. Time to rest. Time to sing. Time to dance. Time to laugh. Time to cry. I fight for the better tomorrow. Yes, we are. No retreat, no surrender. We don't.
Yes, comrade.
Yes, Mr. Azu.
We salute you, brother.
We salute you too, Mr. Azu. Thank you for your good work.
No, na collective effort.
Good day for your back.
Na collective effort.
Yeah. Yes. I want to just talk and I say I'll be very happy for what you don't happen today. It's been our prayer that all this while, say at least this Friday so you don't pass level now we get today for do side. I be here other day general they talk say this so ambassador they ask and say wait you na the way that say how you general you go ask me that kind of question. That question I will forget to ask you say general na how that thing get to cross to that side. No be na instead we again. So today na some very good day, but some other small thing what we want add and say waiting. If this thing get to happen, now some big thing that but more throw out for target. If we throw away like some 2 bus then over down, we get like some 30 people inside. We throw out for some office so we could scatter like one ministry. So that thing story could change. Story could change. Well, that's what they just waste that. Go now resourceful thing that we don't lose. So if you try but not big thing, although man no complain because it's not easy for them. I really get to appreciate the people where they do the work. But we pray again, say if the one do I made a target them to one for that kind of side way, it could hurt your own the inside heart. Yes.
All right.
Way to I want to.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
All right. So we'll take 2 more calls and then we'll leave and so for today. As all man now don't know what you don't, bomb down the jam poor beer for inside down there. Poor beer the cry. Poor they cry. They cry. They thought they want fight Ambazonia. They go fight themselves. Idiots. Lines will be open for all man. All right. So now the message that, now the attitude that, now the spirit that, make all we continue. We continue for march fire both for ground zero and for any place we will fit target la Republic of Cameroon. Any place, whether na inside la Republic of Cameroon. Yes, as the leader already explained for all Ambazonians. It be very clear now for all man. All right. September 22nd, it come. We go for increase our resistance against Cameroon occupation for inside Ambazonia and inside la Republic of Cameroon. All right. The freedom of Ambazonia be non-negotiable and it be unconditional. No condition they no put them for the Ambazonia freedom. There no will be any compromise whatsoever. Make we take this call for that side for Germany. We salute you for that side for
Hello.
how did they talk say good evening for Germany? Good in Aben. Or good in I think so.
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend.
Guten Abend. I said yes.
Yes, my man.
Master. That means the time they come we will go for with the fry Yaoundé. any man way it is lifting this show. I feel assured when I say when I just woke up for morning time, me they come for your page because better thing that they come. Believe me, they don't set that thing they now all round Yaoundé. Now all round Yaoundé. That way it don't just happen so now for food they go that side. When I just wait to see what way they happen. The days ahead of us to come. The third okay we go put Yaoundé they enter na inside frying pan. They had the frying go off, had the frying win. That time don't come. Now when I don't see what they don't happen, when I wait for the final course they come. They say that they know how to fight war. When they can't teach they have to fight war now.
Oh, thank you, brother.
When they can't teach they have to fight war. Now, you are not just the beginning of the game. Now, beginning of the game. Before the month one finish enter next month, but when I wait for the big elephant, he go fall down.
Mm-hmm.
He go fall down. Better day.
Yes.
Master, I beg, keep the show alive. Keep the show alive.
All right,
because
brother.
for this show, we will get the authentic information. Any man we need authentic information. No be the way they do so. May they just come for this show. Okay, now wait till that one just send them out there.
All right, my
because
man.
The whole day I just stay happy.
All right.
May God bless Kuna.
We thank Kuna plenty. We wait for the big elephant and we thank Kuna for the good work. Thank all man. Hey, Ambazonia, chai! Thank you, bro.
No surrender. You don't be Ambazonian. Oh, calm down, it's a nation.
Oh, calm down,
Ambazonian. Oh, calm down, it's a nation. Major General Commando, the king of Momo, the father of CTA, the terminators of Ambazonian. Stand up and let's dance for the freedom is here.
Yeah.
King Macha, the king of Levialem, the father of Red Dragon of Levialem. Stand up and let's dance for the freedom is here. General Grandpa of Bali, General Sobun Kata of Baku, General Alke, General Yeke, General Diamond. Stand up and let's dance. General Fang of the ADF, aka Big Number.
Oh yes.
General Chief Mula of Jen. Rest in peace. General Legend of Mbi. Major General Commander, the king of Momo is your boy Blink. Captain Blink is me. Stand up and let's dance for the freedom is here. We are fighting for the better tomorrow. Yes, we are. No retreat, no surrender. We don't be one fighting for the better tomorrow. Yes, we are. No retreat, no surrender. We don't be one.
All right, my fellow people. If I'm plenty, say just 2 days ago, was spirit they be dead down because of what happened for Moyoka. Today, the spirit, it don't go now for a different level. Now, what is? No person, no nation. When I check the Ambazonian people, their history, we never ever lost any battle. None. So why we can't lose small war with people they win who they get and chop? We don't always win. We don't always succeed. This one at the final stage this for the Ambazonian people, their evolution of freedom. At the final stage this. At the final this. When I get confidence. When I get confidence and trust. La République go collapse. La République go pack out. They don't get any choice. They feel go up, they come down. La République go pack out. They only find out how they fit do am without shame. But no way no fit dey where they will do am without shame. Bia go bow down to the Ambazonian people them. It go bow. This generation, it go make Paul Biya go down on his knees. They not get no choice. They not get no option. And very soon, the people of La République du Cameroon, they go also start to rise up. Even inside that Yaoundé. When I get confidence, trust for the leadership, trust for the roadmap, trust for the strategy. The days ahead, they'll be very pregnant, especially for Ground Zero. Trust. When I get a good night.